Today I want to show you this small parcel from eBay. Okay, Ethernet adapter for TV stick. And here is showing all supported devices. Chromecast 1 and 2 and Chromecast Ultra. I've got the Chromecast 3rd generation. I'm not too sure whether it will work. And here showing what is not supported, Fire Stick generation 1 and so on. We are not very interested in that one. And this is the diagram showing how that thing is supposed to work. You have to plug it into the TV stick and get the power supply, and the other end is going to the router with Ethernet. Okay, let's open it, have a look. Okay, very simple. This is the Ethernet connection. The other end is micro USB and USB to power supply. Okay, the next thing is I need a Chromecast. I bought this one from the shop. And this is the so-called 3rd generation. And here is showing what is supported and more additional information on this side. Else there's nothing much. Okay, a very nice box. I think this is nothing new. Chromecast has been around for a long time, so I guess I don't need to go to the details. This is okay, and there's a power adapter. And here is the USB cable. And the quick start, getting started menu. Now I have to make sure the Chromecast is working before I test the Ethernet adapter. So I just plug in the Chromecast, and now I have to set up via the Google Home app. Add, set up device, and set up new devices. Chromecast. Put it the home here. So Chromecast. At the bottom right corner, it is showing Chromecast 8730. And so this must be this one. Next. That's correct. It's in my living room. Next. In order to test the speed between Wi-Fi and Ethernet Chromecast, I have disconnected my laptop from the Wi-Fi network and connected it to the Ethernet cable. To connect the Ethernet adapter to the Chromecast, you have to disconnect the USB power cable first, then get the micro USB end of the adapter and plug it into the Chromecast. This end will connect to the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable simply connects to the adapter. In order to Chromecast the laptop to my TV, I need to open my Chrome browser and go to the menu on the right top corner, and here is it. You will find Cast. Click on it and select the source. I want to Chromecast the whole desktop, and then click on here. select the desktop I want to Chromecast. Now you can see the TV showing the same screen, and I want to play a video. This is the 1080 Full HD video. Okay, my verdict. The product is quite nice. It comes with a box, and the quality is not bad. It's I think I can feel it's an aluminum case, and it comes with two very long cable for the USB power. I have also tested with my mobile phone Chromecast to the device without the Ethernet adapter. I don't have any problem, but as you can see, when I Chromecast the whole desktop to my TV and playing a video, there are so many frame drops without the Ethernet adapter. Of course, I'm using the Ethernet cable to connect my laptop as well, so there's no bottleneck on both sides. So I'm very happy. I can recommend this product if you have speed problem with Chromecast. Of course, you have to make sure the other end is using Ethernet connection as well. Otherwise, you have higher data rate on one side, the other side is still the bottleneck. Maybe still help a little bit. Okay, if you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.